for una so Tori day. Una no say Tori day. As I don't announce am for una get plenty Tori, but get some major Tori the way they enter we now so for our news deck. So we get for knock up. The Tori we get am for una now. Now for talk for una about wetin gendarmerie don't do for that side for New Bell. Una remember wetin happen for day this week. Where some pikin dem chop that local biscuit. Let me say what I say local biscuit. Let me say they make an for hand for us. They need use that baby machine them, and then they already clean their hand, they pour the water they use that for make the biscuit. Now some kind of tea way man no. Sometimes they go carry water for well, and then water way dirty, mix the biscuit for inside, mix out the flour before they go begin make that biscuit. They call her for baby grandma or for Pidgin say galette. 105 people, plenty picking, about 6 mommy and papa where they be inside too, where they chop that galette one time for La Cantini hospital. They reach for they cure them, so on the day they don't come out, so on the day they see the day, so on the day they for serious state. I don't say I'm not saying for I don't read communique for La Cantini hospital where he talk about this matter. So una no say na so the thing dey, na so the thing pass. Countryman, countrywoman, gendarme don't enter for day. If una see the house, una see the play where they make that biscuit day before they can sell them for people, una go understand say, man go take care for your life, oh. Man go take care for your life, oh. Because small so anything will happen. Small anything will happen. Una begin look out, me will look out, me all man look out. Before you take something, the chop up. You must ask yourself plenty question. I know some people the way they will only chop now for us. If no house no they chop, they know we chop them again. They know we chop for outside, they go wait to take, they cook small thing, chop. But that one I know, see na people the way they feel chop for us. One the way they no get opportunity where they feel go chop for us, they go talk say wait. So people where they make chop to sell and for people, may they be careful. May they careful because man no know. Countryman, countrywoman, we pray for speedy recovery for all that people the way that biscuit it make them so they enter na baby wahala, baby trouble, maybe malamangulu ngwete. May we remain for New Bell. Wait happen for New Bell. Man no know, man no know, ya. New Bell matter today na seweti. After palaba biscuit them or damage the way people they nyama for us for New Bell will come now for the other matter, na serious matter. Na fire incident. A burn house there for New Bell. Mami Beatrice has a bonam. Mami Beatrice na even madam kwata for his family. She don't so we no day for Katiba fang for New Bell. Yamela mami, yame calme le cœur mami. Mami yame calme le cœur. If you understand. No play for go because the fire is smoky house, is smoke arm, is snuff arm. Na so the house don't finish. Burn all to ashes. Na population they enter for save. But they not try their best. They no work for that remain in domot. Na so that remain domot. A consumer all for that was other people they are domot for that side for New Bell. Another Tory day. Countryman, countrywoman. How we talk palaba has them. For that side for Odza. Now for Yaoundé. So has R+4. That means say 1, 2, 3, 4-story building. It collapsed. Let's say na biscuit. Or let's say a building for beach. It collapsed. Brrr. Lucky enough for that side for Oja. No man no die. No man no quarrel. That time when the house collapse, no man will be the inside. Thank God for that blessing. Like today now for the year na wonderful thing where the commander say it didn't want to happen so, they won't happen so, before the other one they can't happen so. Thank God say now the two will happen that for that side. And then for Bumye Bell, some camion driver, it come Douala with the cut nose, that means a cut neck speed. I don't know how that man go begin drive so. Madi kiango jadi kiango gambo. Now that tongue. It miss track, it enter for some electric pole, they put 4 palm on moto. Na so driver Eto'o Equara. Na what happened for that side for Mouelle Bell. Countryman, countrywoman. The matter way people they don't turn their woman now for punching back. Your woman want talk something, pum pum. Your woman want talk something, pum pum. Una no fit query, una no fit exchange. We blow no come out. Na so the girl Fred Ekoyo, he come out with his friend. For go stroll, you want come back for us. He must have said, no one see you again for the ass. Trouble. It is in a play. The man take him. The man turn in for ball. Pam. Before the man want know, then he don't quarrel. And so they get die. They begin for bury today. This Friday so. They begin for move the corpse and then they bury. But the family for the girl, he don't decide otherwise. So they don't send them further. They don't send them. They get me down on the 8th of June. So they don't send them further. They talk say, till the day they get for do. The girl die so with 4 pikin. He must have beat and kill him. Where we give 4 pikin. 4 pikin them. 4 small pikin them. Wonderful thing. Wonders for big grandma shall never end. Another story. So Reme, where they go put it for gendarmerie from Fu. Now for that side for Yaoundé. For Sika land Palaba. The mami de 79 years. They carry the mami go put it for Ngata for Sika land Palaba. The mami say no go chop he. You know she don't for they know the chop. It don't be for way. It don't the pass people. Justice. They don't start the fear because if the mami did know the chop, if he quarrel for day, it will be in some kind of way. 90s. If the king don't send some long letter for Griot, it say, I salute you now. I hope so na they fine. I can't talk na palava my grandmami. My grandmami get land from Fu. And the land, it don't make some financial matter with them. And with the land title for 2015. And then the matter start na small. But the woman way he can make that transaction with my grandmami. He come 5 years after he talk say na a land. So my grandmami he don't talk say no one treat anything. He no one talk no nothing. He want take a land back. Now they matter that. So now people when they get money they can seize land for people and then when they don't finish seize them they begin make palaba. Remy don't talk say don't vacate. Say better he own finish for the ground so. Than for she don't they assist for that kind of way he call him say na thief that means say banditry. Now so it happened for that side from Fu countrywoman. Another story now for which side for Central Africa Republic they talk say school picking them when they be the right baccalaureate equivalent for GCE advanced level say this school picking them as they arrive for their center, so explosion happen. A boom! Picking them quarter for day, and then one day they get plenty wound them. The college name na Lycée Barthélemy Boganda. Na for Bangui. Boganda na former president for RCA. Or Republic Central Africa Republic. Let me say Central Africa Republic. Na CAR. Or for French na RCA. I don't talk am now. So government he talk about the matter and then Radio France International it talks in 29 Pikin and Kwara and then some video they will circulate for social media. That kind of video will not fit show una. That kind of video you not find someone to look at because the video na very disturbing video. Una not forget Semo enter sport na mo talk about Landringemo for the 27th of June 2024 be the come from Chang where the one go Yaoundé for take flight for go baptism for a girl pikin Landingemo make accident in a driver, they die. So now 1 year this since Landingemo don kwara. Another story na say Ngando Nganjui, he don't talk say yes for Inga. He don't need down Igiring for Inga. So congratulations for you, Ngando Nganjui. We be telling you yesterday, say if Mark Vivian Fouetou will be die for the 26th of June 2003. That means 2003 for Jelan. The people in two they remember he the Kwara 22 years after. Now so the matter day. Now the story in that way we can't forgive now for this program. We are still enough for the program as una dey for here.